Hi, I'm Aaron, and I'd like to get you started with the VR Challenge. You can head on over to our homepage at steampunk.digital and go over to the VR Challenge website. All right, so here you can scroll down to where the starter kit is. All right, down here is this wonderful video by Dilmer. It goes through all of the major steps to configure Unity to work with MRTK on the Oculus Quest 2 and turning on the pass-through mode and hand tracking. This is a wonderful configuration for getting started with VR. It's fantastic tools, and it's a wonderful configuration with pass-through. So we have everything already organized into a Git project you can download from GitHub, and you can download this package here, or of course clone the Git project. All right, so let's open up the Unity Hub. I have installed Unity 2020.3.26. Probably the latest LTS with Unity 2020 is fine. And so let's open up the project. Now make sure you'll want to open it in Android mode. Okay, first you want to go to your assets, scenes, and make sure you have the MRTK hand interaction examples loaded. And this is a wonderful little example of like all the different inputs that are capable of like hand interaction, touch manipulation, grabbing, all sorts of good stuff. So definitely you want to check this one out. It's a lot of fun. Okay, so let's go up to File and Set Up to Build. Go to Build Settings. Make sure you are on the Android platform and select your Oculus Quest 2. If it's not showing up in the list here, you might have to put on your headset when you plug in the USB and allow the computer to work with it. All right, so assuming you've got the Quest 2 connected, you should be able to build and run. All right, so now I'm gonna go into our builds folder here, and I've got one already ready to go, VR sample APK. And this will build and get it running on the headset. Okay, so here it is. The pass-through mode is working, and you can see the setup is a little bit into the desk here. So I'm just going to reach up and pinch grab the scene and back up here. All right, so here is the setup. All right, this is really cool. So now I can like play piano keys. I can reach out and touch the magic objects, make them spin because they detect they're being touched. Or this is fun, I can grab this globe and it's annotated. The annotations show when I grab it, so that's really fun. Tons of great ways to interact with your virtual reality scene. Now, of course, with pass-through, of course, I'm aware of my surfaces around me, and so this makes it a really nice, like, mixed reality development experience. So definitely check this out. It's a lot of fun. You can like play around, and I hope you enjoy this. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed that quick little introduction to the Getting Started kit. And I hope you enjoy playing around with the VR as much as I do. And can't wait to see what you come up with at the VR Challenge.